Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'll help you understand how to fix black screen problem on your Spark Go 3 device. Make sure to follow each step carefully shown on the screen to solve the problem without any confusion. And if this video is useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon for more helpful videos. Now let's begin.